Welcome to the Wolf's Den. Today we're making rich, simple syrup with raw turbinado sugar. Deep, golden, and full of molasses flavor. I'm using 1 cup here in a vintage Fire King glass measuring cup. And this stuff brings serious character to any cocktail. Add half a cup of water for that classic 2-to-1 rich syrup ratio. If you want it thinner, just add equal parts sugar to water. Keep the heat at medium and stir continuously until the sugar is completely dissolved. The syrup should start to thicken slightly and take on a rich amber glow. Turbinado sugar comes from raw sugar cane, harvested, pressed, and partially refined. It's still full of molasses, unlike white sugar, and has its roots in centuries of cane cultivation across the Caribbean and South America. Once the sugar is fully dissolved, take the pot off the heat. Carefully pour the syrup back into your glass measuring cup to let it cool for a few minutes. At this point, most of the sugar has broken down, but you still may see a few fine granules. That's normal with turbinado, and they'll settle or dissolve further as it cools. Any way you'd use simple syrup, you can use this, with more flavor and character. Now to bottle it up, I'm using a swing top glass bottle for easy storage and clean pours. This is how legends are poured. You can store this syrup in the fridge for up to a month. If you're freezing it, leave the cap open until it's fully solid, then snap it shut. This turbinado syrup works beautifully in all kinds of cocktails, old fashions, daiquiris, mojitos, even shaken whiskey sours. Enjoy, and if you drink, drink responsibly. Drop a comment below and let us know which syrup you want to see next. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Wolf Pack by subscribing to our Wolf's Den Dispatch. Here at the Wolf's Den, we like our bourbon bold, and for us that means Wild Turkey 101. This syrup pairs perfectly with it, especially in a proper whiskey sour. To subscribe to our weekly newsletter, the Wolf's Den Dispatch, you can find a link below. Links to the Fire King measuring cup, the swing top glass bottles I used, and the double burner hot plate are down below as well.